In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Microsoft Teams with Calendly so you can schedule meetings without the endless back and forth emails. This setup will save you time and keep everything organized in one place. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech guides. First, open the Calendly homepage and log into your account. On the left side, you'll see a menu. Click on Integrations and Apps. This is where Calendly lets you connect with other tools to make scheduling even smoother. Now scroll or search for Microsoft Teams Conferencing. Once you find it, click on it to open the setup page. At the top, hit the Integrate Now button. Calendly will ask you to log in with your Microsoft Teams email and password. If you're already logged into Teams on your browser, it might connect automatically without needing extra steps, and that's it. Your Calendly is now integrated with Microsoft Teams. From now on, whenever you schedule a meeting, a unique Teams link will be created automatically and shared with your invitees. No need to manually copy or paste meeting links anymore. It's all handled for you. If you want to adjust the settings or troubleshoot later, just head back to the Integrations and Apps menu in Calendly. You can also explore other useful integrations from there to make scheduling even smarter. And that's how you integrate Microsoft Teams with Calendly in just a few clicks. If this helped you, make sure to hit the like button and share it with someone who schedules a lot of meetings. Subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.